Can you guys see that? $3.49 a gallon. We'll have to race way across the street. Racetrack, $3.29. Yep, $3.49 a gallon. $3.29 a gallon. Crazy. Just because you can get a truck in there. Way to go, Speedway. Where's the sign at? Anyway, just because you can get a truck in there, they rape you. We'll go across the street because we're in the pickup truck there. Come on.
You're watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.
Oh, the sun's gonna wash it out. Everybody said I need the garage. There you go, the sun's washing it out. Anyway, we gotta get this thing backed up here and repositioned and go unload it. And one day there'll be a garage right there. Come on. Well, I had to hire a new concrete guy because the other concrete guy said I was just too demanding. He just kept putting me off every week after week for like 7 weeks now. And so this crew here, I could have had them here 1st September when the original guy was supposed to do the footing and the concrete, but it didn't show. So we fired him and got this crew here. But they dug the footing yesterday, and it came a surprise rainstorm last night, and I gotta move my pump. Came a surprise rainstorm last night and filled the footer up. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I had to move my pump from that hole to that hole. And hopefully he'll bring me a trash pump out here. I call it in the voicemail because this little residential pump is designed to suck water off the top of a swimming pool cover. I had a trash pump I rented when I had the hole dug and it filled full of water. But anyway, so this guy came out here yesterday and I started digging, and we're gonna pour concrete next Friday. Right now they gotta get all the rebar put in. It's a massive amount of rebar. Anyways, it's way overkill pad for this red iron building that we're going up with. See that little red iron building right there? This is way overkill of a pad. So that's what the engineers spec'd out. So that's what we got to do. A little Yamaha working hard there. Well, anyway, we'll get her knocked out and get her done. Hopefully have a garage by Halloween there. Come on. Okay, well, we finally got the footing dug. Excuse me. We concrete guy we've been dealing with since April, which is also the same guy that gave me the name for the builder, the dirt work, everything. Of course, none of the dirt work people worked out. I wound up having to do it myself. But anyway, then it turned out the concrete guy played me along for like 8 weeks. And finally, he just kept putting it off. And I finally said, hey, dude, you're supposed to be here 1st September. Here we are, middle of October. Well, go find you somebody else. I can't work for you, blah, blah, blah. So, okay, I did. This guy here could have come in and done it 1st September if I'd let him. Well, I was really trying to work with that other guy. Well, anyway, I wanted to show you this footing. This right here was a mistake. They had the building flipped around the wrong ways. This footing is overkill, man. So basically, you've got a pier with rebar in it, and then rebar in, and then anchor bolts. And then you have a 1 foot footer all the way, which ties in the other pier, which is here. And then that goes all the way around the building. So it's way overkill for this red iron building. little 40 by 45. So, yeah, it's crazy. Anyway, I put my drain line in. That's going to be for a camper cleanout right there. I got my drain line running down through here to this drain. Put me a drain in the middle bay, so I can pull in here and wash cars in the winter or whatever. And then I'll just squeegee it out, and it'll go outside over that wall. And camper clean out for gray water right there. We'll put in a system later. And then also the building is 40-45. When I ordered this building was in April, I had a 37-foot Raptor, 3-axle Raptor, and would fit. I bought a new camper and she won't fit, so I made like a little 3-foot bump out here. So the plan is to, once I get the building up, I'll cut that out. I'm gonna have the builder frame me up a door, 10 foot by 14 foot high opening, and I'll cut that out and I'll build me a little bump out and put the tent on it. So kind of like a house with a bump out fireplace. That should be just enough for the tail of that trailer to come into here, and that way you can get the garage door closed. So that's the plan. Back at camper right here. Hopefully the tail fits into that bump out, and we'll get the door closed, because that camper is a 45 footer. They said it was 44 too. They lied, and for whatever reason I thought it might fit, and then I got to talking to the builder and said, nope, won't fit. You lose 6 inches there and 8 inches on the front or something like that. So technically you only have like 44 foot of usable space, if that. So hopefully that 3-foot bump out will give me enough to get that thing backed in and pull the door down. But anyway, it should be a nice little garage when we get her done. But that's the update. Tomorrow we are pouring the 6-inch thick 4,000 psi concrete with a pump truck, and so it should hold up fine. And then once we get the pad done, we'll get the building up. We'll work on a driveway right here. Get this driveway made, get it built up to go to there, and that should work out really good. There's the update with the garage. Hope you guys enjoyed the garage series. We'll show you this camper here soon. But I think once we get that, because see, there's the top of the pad there. That's going to take a slope right here. There's a little gentle slope right there. You guys can't see it. But it's going to be a very, very minor slope now, because we'll get all this built up. And it's going to work out great. So not bad for my first pad building process. Ran a laser transit from United Rentals and shot my grade, and we got her done. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow, a concrete day.
Breaker 19. This is the Dominator with EJP Transport. When I'm not running up and down the highway, loading and unloading my wagon, I'm watching Tim on Life is Good. Come on.